the first is in the civil lawsuit between two Bay Area shock jocks. Todd MJ Schnitt is suing Bubba the Love Sponge for defamation. But this case took another turn overnight when MJ's attorney was arrested. Our Laura Harris has been following this story all morning. She joins us now with what this means for that trial. Good afternoon, Laura.
Good afternoon, Dia. Definitely a bizarre turn of events. You know, we were expecting them to be in court till about 12 o'clock today. Instead, they were only in there for about 5 minutes. The judge, he dismissed the jury. Then he asked attorneys from both sides to head to his chambers. Well, we caught up with Bubba's attorney right after that meeting, and he wasn't happy at all.
To his advantage, now he gets a good night's sleep. Now he gets to prepare his witness more.
Stephen Diaco, lead attorney for Bubba the Love Sponge Clem, was visibly upset by the latest turn of events with the case.
His last DUI was almost twice the legal limit. He didn't learn his lesson.
Todd MJ Schnitt's lead counsel, Charles Campbell, was arrested late Wednesday night in downtown Tampa for his second DUI charge in the past 5 years. We caught up with Campbell outside the Hillsborough County Courthouse Thursday morning as he reported for the case in which he's representing Schnitt. He didn't have any comment pertaining to the DUI, though. Schnitt is suing Bubba for alleged defamatory statements against him and his wife he claims were made by Bubba. Schnitt didn't have a comment either as we rifled questions at him while he walked briskly to his car from court. Even though today's proceedings were cut short, local DUI attorney and legal expert Kevin Hazlett says he thinks things will get back on track.
I don't expect him to, declare a mistrial. I expect the show to go on, if you will. But obviously the criminal arrest of lead counsel for the plaintiff has a dramatic effect.
But while he expects the trial to push forward, he says Campbell's future is definitely in question, as the penalties for this type of arrest, twice in 5 years, are hefty.
First of all, there's a minimum mandatory of 10 days minimum county jail. Second, 5-year license revocation. Also, a subject who has a second-time DUI conviction has to have in his car an interlock device that he's going to blow into before his car will start.
MJ has been very public about how he feels about people who get DUIs. He says that if anybody worked for him, ever got a DUI, he'd fire them. Well, we asked him that question when he left the courthouse today. He had no comment. Live at the Hillsborough County Courthouse, Laura Harris, ABC Action News.